What's going on, world? This is your boy Nick from Toad Tech, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing, which is probably the 12th or 15th or 19th or probably 45th time of seeing an unboxing of these two devices. But you haven't seen my unboxing, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip. I'm going to turn it around this way because I just realized I had my mobile number on it. But the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and also the Galaxy Watch 4. So I'll put that one right there. So we have the Galaxy Z Flip right here, and once again I'm holding it down because I just realized that it has my phone number, and I don't want y'all calling me. I like y'all, but I don't like y'all like that to me. You know how it is. But for real, I got this device and I'm having trouble opening it up. See if I can find something to quickly open this up. I pre-ordered this device because, for one, this device really intrigued me. For two, I thought it was revolutionary. I haven't seen anything like this device before. Well, actually I have seen it before because this is the third version of said device, but I really haven't paid it any attention because I was stuck on my iPhone. I am a proud owner of the iPhone XS Max, and I never upgraded my iPhone from the XS Max because I felt that iPhone 11 was just basically the same thing, and all it had was better cameras. And were the cameras on the iPhone 11 $1,000 better than the iPhone XS Max? And I didn't think so. I mean, basically the same form factor, same design, better cameras, but I wasn't going to spend another $1,000 to upgrade to that device when I already had this device. And then the iPhone 12 came out, and I liked the body style or the block style of the iPhone 12, but I didn't upgrade that to that one as well because I was like, you know what, now we're in the middle of a pandemic, and even though I like the form factor, it's pretty much the same device. You still get iOS. iOS is iOS no matter what device you have. And one big caveat that I didn't like is because they still didn't have Touch ID, and we were walking around with masks on and things like that, and I'm like, how am I gonna open my phone up when I'm out in public? Just keep pulling my mask down, or just put in my passcode or something like that. But putting in your passcode gets old quick, and that takes up a lot of time. But nevertheless, I saw this and I got intrigued, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna upgrade to iPhone 13. And then Samsung blew me away with the presentation of this device, and I am having trouble of opening it up. I may have to stop to go get a knife because I do not have one. Stay right there, hold that thought. All right, I am back, and I finally got my knife together, and I got the unboxing of this thing, and here we are. Took the cover off. I'm gonna put the cover down over here, and this is the device. What we have here is the Galaxy Z Flip 3 premium device. I was sold on it when they showed it to me, and this thing feels good. I thought it was bigger than this. Wow. Ooh, I thought this was bigger than this, but this thing is. It feels great in my hand. It feels real good. I thought it was way bigger than the iPhone XS Max, but look at it. It is almost the same size, but this phone is a little bit taller. But I'm a Galaxy Note guy, first and foremost. Before I switched back to iOS, I had every Galaxy Note except for the Note 1 because it was a new device. I was like everybody else. I don't know if I'm like that thing, but I was a Galaxy Note guy. I swapped out. I had the last Note I had was the Note 8, and then I went back to iOS. But this thing right here, so I'm used to tall phones. That's the point I was trying to make. But this device right here, it feels great in my hand, man. Jeez Louise. Let me put this sticker over here too before somebody gets my code or something like that. But look, jeez Louise, dude. This thing feels great in my hand. The daggone fingerprint scanner is right here. I was thinking it was way up here somewhere. The volume button is right here. And as far as my hands, I got fairly big hands, but I didn't think this thing was, it looks good. It feels good. It feels better in my hand than this guy does. So I'm excited for what we're about to accomplish with this device. So let me pull the sticker off. The satisfying sticker, which you've probably seen oh so much. So just pull that off, pull that off, pull that off. So this is what you got. It feels great. It feels great. But this is the back of the phone. That is the back. That is the front. Those are your two cameras. And there's your satisfying flip. It's the hinges are kind of stiff too. So you might have to play with this thing a few times before you can actually close it with one hand. But this feels great. Hear that satisfied click? That snap. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. That is amazing. I am in love with this phone already. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it does. Oh, it's coming on. Power button. And it's on the back too. Look at that display. Oh my gosh. This is great. This is great. I'm just gonna put that to the side, see what else we got in the box, which you already know what we got in the box. I got my SIM card right there that I'm gonna put in there and activate, because if you know it or not, your Android SIM card is a little bit different than your iPhone SIM card. I mean, they're fairly the same size and things like that, but there's some differences on the data end to where they have to go into the system and configure the way that they receive and put out data. So I'm gonna put that SIM card in there. You got the SIM ejector tool that already fell off right here. Open this package up. I'm excited. Open this package up right here. You got some literature. And you got your USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's all you get. You want a charging brick? You're gonna have to pony up some more money and buy that charging brick, because Samsung doesn't give you one anymore. So that's what's in the box for this. I'm gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna open up the Galaxy Watch 4, which is right here. This has a tab up here somewhere. Get my trusty knife right here, my butter knife, so I don't want to cut myself. And if this was a real knife, I would have cut myself, because I just stabbed myself in the leg. But anyway, this is the Galaxy Watch 4. If I can get it out of the case. This is not going to come out of the case. Oh, it's going to be easier than that. But because I still got it connected right now. That's why. Ooh, that looks good too. Much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. I'm going to sit all this on my MacBook, because it's about to be bye-bye Apple ecosystem. But this is the watch right here. That's what you get. I got the 44 millimeter. So it's almost the same size as the Apple Watch itself. Almost the same watch as the Apple Watch itself. So that's why I got that. And I went with the regular, not the classic, because I was a previous owner of the Galaxy S3 Classic. And therefore, I now chose this guy, because this is more futuristic, and also I think it's more forward thinking instead of the old digital crown. The digital crown, not the digital crown, but the rotating bezel is cool. Functionality wise, it works real great. But I'm kind of a futuristic guy. I like new things, so I think this one is better suited for me, and this is the one I'm going with. But let's see what else we have in the box. I'm gonna put that right there. Nice packaging, Samsung. Gotta give you that. You up your presentation game, and that's cool. So what else we have in the box? Put that over there. We got this. I don't like tearing my boxes. You know me, I don't like tearing my boxes. So got some literature, some more literature. This big old box ain't nothing in it except for this literature and the daggone charging cable. Y'all could have, whatever, Samsung. You ain't need a big old box for that. This literally the only two things in this big old box. Like, there's nothing else in it. So what you get is you get you some literature, and you also get a charging brick. So that's what's in the box. So I'm gonna set this stuff up, and I'm gonna play with it, and I'm gonna make another video about the usage that I have in a day in the life, you know, from an average user, not some tech reviewer or something like that that's only doing it just because I'm gonna put this thing to the paces, because this is gonna be my daily phone. So look here, I'll make another video and show y'all how I like the phone, the things I like, the things I don't like. And you want to see that video, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so it'll pop up as soon as I publish it. So that's it for me today. I'm out of here. You like this video, hit that thumbs up. You want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.